Yes, my peoples, big up, big up. Yeah, man. Respect to the Shatta movement, Shatta Wale movement, the Ghanaian family. Yeah, man. Again, thanks for the connection, man. I got a little news for y'all. Looking it up right now. Yeah, me and my family, you probably know Contractor music group. You know what I mean? Working on another tropical house cruises to Jamaica. This is the Middle East edition. You know what I mean? And we got Chris Brown on it. We got Sean Kingston on it. You know, Chris Gale on it. Julian Marley. And I myself is on it. You know what I mean? Lady Marga, a few others. But Shatta Wale is going to headline this. I'm going to stop talking. Because I don't got no dates yet. I just know it's coming this year. You feel me? So, like we said, the Middle East edition. Yeah, man. I don't even know the song yet. But this agreement has already been made. You feel me? Yeah, man. I'm not saying nothing more. Shh.